Have you got your
Yeah.
noise suppression turned off in Teams as well?
I'm going to do both. I'm going to have it on and off.
Yeah, we like to turn it off for our demos just to show people that it's actually the headset that's doing the work, not Teams.
Nice. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off then. It's off. So you see, noise suppression is turned off. All right. What's up? Danny Hayasaka here. I'm here with Richard Kenny, and we were talking about all things HP Poly Mission headsets to include the 400, 600, and this 800 series that I have on now. And I said, you know what? Since we're on this call right now, live, I just got this headset yesterday. Let's do a quick blender test. And one of the things that Richard asked me to do was turn off my noise suppression, my Teams voice isolation. And so you guys are all going to hear live what the power of this headset is. So you see my decibel reader there. I'm going to flip this guy on. All right, so it's running in the background right now. And so this is what it would sound like if you were using the HP Poly Mission 825 headset with no additional AI noise suppression. This is simply the noise canceling capability of the headset itself, the noise canceling microphone. And Richard, you can tell them a little bit about that. And it's still going here in the background.
Before you turn it off, Danny, do you want to take the headset off and switch microphones to a raw microphone so that people can hear what 85 dBs actually sounds like? Now,
oh yeah, no, I have that here. Yes, I'm recording the raw audio right through here.
Okay, good. Because a little warning, that 85 dB is loud. That's not your typical office, is it?
No, it's not. This is crazy loud. In fact, I'm turning it off. And just to share with everyone, this does have active noise canceling, so you can turn that on and off. I have it on right now, so that did help some.
So yeah, the ANC makes it really good for you. That will block out the blender noise in the background. What's making it really good for us listening to you is the combination of 4 microphones in the headset itself, plus a local AI-based noise cancelling model running to enhance the performance of the microphone. We train it offline to recognize what's voice, what's not voice, and it can get rid of all of those background noises. So in the past, you'd be doing that little dance of mute on, mute off if there was a high background noise. And with the Mission headsets, you don't need to. It's just so easy to use. You talk when you want to, and then the headset gets rid of all the background noise.
That's awesome. And I'm actually very curious to hear the playback, but you're hearing it live on your end, so you know what it sounded like without, again, no additional
I could
AI
hear
noise
it.
suppression.
I could hear it there, but I could hear your voice clearly. I didn't have to strain. I didn't have to concentrate. Your voice was coming through clearly.
And that's one of the things I try to stress with our viewers, with customers, is no headset mic I've ever tested blocks 100% of background noise. However, that's not what you want to pay attention to. You want to pay attention to, can you hear my voice despite the background noise? And can you hear it clearly? Because that's the key point of these headsets, is that you're going to be able to hear without being distracted by whatever's going on in the background. In this case, it's an annoying blender. But Richard, thank you so much. Folks, if you like this type of content, follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.